The future of work is changing faster than anyone expected. Artificial intelligence isn't just helping humans anymore, it's starting to replace them. From designers and coders to editors and marketers, AI is becoming the ultimate coworker. Stick around until the end, because the number one tool on our list is already running real companies today. Coming in at number 7, Midjourney. This is the AI that turned imagination into a new design career. Need a stunning product photo, a memorable logo, or a fresh ad concept? Just type a few words, and Midjourney generates professional-grade artwork in seconds. Brands are now saving thousands of dollars by skipping graphic designers entirely. The job isn't about drawing anymore. It's about how well you can describe your vision through prompts. Creative work will never look the same again. At number 6, we have Synthesia. This incredible AI generates lifelike human avatars that can speak in any language you want. No camera, no microphone, no filming required. Businesses are using it to create training videos, tutorials, and advertisements in a matter of hours, not weeks. With just one click, you have a perfect presenter who never forgets their lines or asks for a retake. The competition is no longer another freelancer. It's an algorithm with flawless delivery every single time. Number 5 is DeepL. This isn't your average spell checker. It doesn't just correct your grammar. It rewrites your entire text as if a professional editor went through it line by line. Whether it's emails, blog posts, or important proposals, DeepL instantly improves your tone, clarity, and vocabulary. For copywriters and editors, this tool is both a game changer and a serious warning sign. The better it gets, the fewer humans companies will need to review their content. Now for number 4, Devin, the AI software engineer. This tool is mind-blowing. It can read technical documentation, write its own code, find and fix bugs, and even deploy the final product automatically. Some startups are already running lean teams with just one human engineer and one Devin AI assistant. Developers who do adapt to working alongside AI might soon find themselves outperformed by an algorithm that never sleeps and never makes a mistake. At number 3, we have Runway ML, used by giants like Netflix and major Hollywood studios. Runway lets anyone create cinematic visual effects using simple text prompts. Want a drone shot flying over the surface of Mars? Just type it. Need to remove an object from a scene or generate an entirely new one from scratch? It's just a click away. Runway is making video editing 10 times faster and 10 times cheaper. The Hollywood of the future might just run on prompts, not directors. Coming in hot at number 2 is Hamada AI. This tool is like a super intelligent research assistant. It can read thousands of pages of dense documents, like legal contracts or financial reports, and then explain the key points to you in plain, simple language. Law firms and financial analysts are using it to summarize complex information and extract critical insights instantly. What once took a team hours of tedious reading now takes just seconds. Hamada isn't just saving time. It's replacing the roles of analysts and interns everywhere. And finally, the number 1 AI tool that will change everything, GPT-5 and its successors. This isn't just one tool, it's an entire brain. It writes code, analyzes massive datasets, creates marketing content, and manages complex workflows, all through simple text commands. Companies are already building autonomous AI agents on top of GPT-style models to replace entire marketing teams and even HR departments. Experts predict that as much as 30% of white-collar jobs could be automated by 2026. But here's the key takeaway. The smartest workers aren't competing with AI, they re-collaborating with it. AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your tasks. The people who learn how to leverage these powerful tools will be the ones who lead the next generation of innovation. So start experimenting with these tools today before they become your competition. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and comment with your favorite AI tool from the list. And don't forget to subscribe for more from NeuroFeeds, where tomorrow's tech starts today. Thanks for watching.